Hello, welcome to day 5 of your mini Pilates series. Today we're going to get into inner and outer thigh. I feel this is always one of our favorite workouts to do, but never underestimate because we're going to get a really good burn in. Hello, welcome to day 5 of the Pilates mini series. My name is Sanne Vloet and welcome to today's Pilates flow. We're going to focus on inner and outer thigh. I'm using light ankle weights. These are 1 pound, but feel free to use anything you have or just body weight because you will still feel that burn. So we're going to start up into a wide stand. Your toes are pointing out. We're going to lower down that booty into a deep squat, reach back up, squeeze those glutes. Lower down, press it up. So by pointing out those feet, we're getting more into that inner thigh here. Every time we're coming up, squeeze back up, mind to muscle. Give me 6 more. Breathe it through. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna hold it here. We're gonna bring that right heel up, lower down, left heel up. Should really feel that inner thigh firing up here. Engage that core, keep that chest open. Four, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, pulse it out. Keep that core in, pull that belly button through the spine. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press it up. Back into that sumo squat. Squeeze it up. Inhale, lower down, press it up. Four, 2, and 1. Same round here, lower down, right heel comes up, left heel comes up. Beautiful. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, pulse it out. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And squeeze it up, shake it out. Ooh, starting with a really good burn there. Okay, beautiful. We're coming onto our right side. And lay on the back of your mat, place your right arm behind your head. We're gonna lift that left leg up. We're gonna flex that foot. Now I want you to internally rotate, tap it on a 45-degree angle, back to a neutral. Internal rotate, tap that toe, back to a neutral. I always call these the lazy girl exercises because they look so easy onto the ground, but they really work all those small little muscles around that thigh. Breathe it through. 4, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. We're gonna point that toe. Tiny little circles. Only keep it in orange shape, so super small. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse. Tiny little circles here. That left leg does not have to be super high. Just super engage. We're gonna work on that mind-muscle connection here. Actually think and focus on that muscle that you're using here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna bend that left knee. We're gonna extend it out, reach it back. it's almost like a big bicycle movement here. Beautiful, reach it back. Feel that tension throughout that whole left leg. For 3, 2, and 1. Reverse that circle here. Bicycling back. Feel that burn coming through. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Beautiful. We're gonna place both legs on top of each other. Place that left arm still in front, engage that core. We're gonna open up that leg, extend the leg all the way out, tap it down, bring it in. So clam, reach in a 45-degree angle, bring it in, lower down. Breathe it through. Extend all the way. On the next one, we're gonna hold that left leg all the way up. Beautiful, little pulse it out. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Whew. All right, we're gonna give that left glute and thigh a little bit of a break. We're gonna bring that left leg on top. We're gonna start working that right inner thigh here. Again, find that position, engage that core. Little left up, lower down. Squeeze it up, lower down. With intention. Every time we're coming up, you almost wanna hold it for 1 second, lower down. We're gonna bring that pace a little up, tiny little pulses here. So we can go a little faster, really bring that heel up and down. Should really start to feel that right inner thigh firing up here. Breathe it through. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up. We're holding here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Don't hold that breath. 4, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Give that left leg and hip a little bit of love. And we're gonna come over onto our back. Your feet are in. Take a deep inhale. On the exhale, we're gonna tuck that pelvis and then meet me into a glute bridge. We're gonna reach those arms all the way up, palms are facing towards each other. We're gonna bring that left knee into a tabletop. We're gonna reach that left leg all the way up. We're gonna tap that right knee, squeeze and extend. Tap the knee, squeeze and extend. Keep those hips straight, keep those hips up. Don't let that booty drop and feel that full extension through that leg. 4, 2, and 1. On the next one, we're gonna hold it here. We're gonna flex that foot to lower, bring the left knee in, point it up. Flex to lower, bring it in, point up. Getting a little glute activation in. Squeeze that left leg all the way up. for 2, and 1. Bring that leg back into a glute bridge. Slowly lower down that hip. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, meet me back into that glute bridge. Shift all the way over to the left side of the body, and then bring that right leg into a tabletop position. We're gonna tap that left knee, extend the right leg all the way up to the ceiling. Pay attention to those hips. Keep them nice and up. Keep them straight. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. We're gonna flex that foot to lower, back into a tabletop, point it up. Flex to lower, into a tabletop, bring it up. For 2, and 1. Tap the foot down, slowly bring it down. Beautiful. Okay, now we're coming with our heels together, toes apart, so into a Pilates feet. Just by changing our foot position, we're getting more into that inner thigh. Reach those arms up, take a deep inhale, tuck that pelvis. Meet me into a glute bridge, slowly lower down those hips. Press it up. Lower down those hips. Press and squeeze. Mind to muscle. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up here, little pulses with that hip. 1 inch up, 1 inch down. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lower down. Bring the knee in. Get that lower body a nice little love. Come over to your left side. Place your left arm underneath your head. Come onto the back of the mat. And then bring your right leg about hip wide. We're gonna flex that right foot. Now same thing here, pull that belly button towards the spine. Then we're gonna internally rotate, internally rotate. Slowly come back to neutral. Internal rotation, tap that toe, back to neutral. So you really feel that outer thigh firing up here. Bring it down. Breathe it through. 4, 2, and 1. We're gonna hold it here. We're gonna point that toe, tiny little leg circles. Super small and controlled, squeeze all the way. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse here. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Take a deep breath, inhale. On the exhale, bring that right leg up into our bicycle. So we're bringing that knee forward, reaching all the way back. Breathe it through. It's a big range of motion. Four, 2, and 1. Reverse that big circle here. Big backward bicycle. 4, 2, and 1. Now extend all the way out. We're gonna bring both legs in. Take a deep inhale. We're gonna open up into a clam, extend it into a 40-55. Tap the heel down, lower down. So those heels and toes stay together. Reach that leg, tap it in, clam it down. Oh, that inner thigh and outer thigh should be shaking here. Whew. Beautiful. 4, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Tiny little pulse it out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Give the hip a little love. We're gonna bring that right leg on top. Now we're gonna bring that left leg up, lower down. So that left inner thigh is working here. Squeeze it up and down. Squeeze, hold, and lower down. I want you to really feel that intentional movement here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Little pulse it out. Little faster pace. To really start to feel that inner thigh here. Push it through. Our final one here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And hold. Give me your final 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Beautiful. All right, come back up. You are all done for today. Thank you so much for joining for this spicy inner and outer thigh. I will see you tomorrow.